Let's try the new Nykaa Whipped Blush Pot. This comes in 6 shades for the price of rupees 599, and the shade I selected for me is Pudding You First. The packaging is cute and it is kind of similar to the Fee Pudding Pot. The texture of this pudding pot is not as bouncy as the Fee one, but yes, it has a little bit of bounce as you can see, and it feels kind of smooth and soft to touch. That's the shade Pudding You First. It feels like cream to powder kind of formulation and shears down really well. Nykaa also says that this kind of formulation works well with silicone applicator. So I have this flat eyeshadow brush which I think is going to work with this kind of formulation. Let's first try it on the lips. That's pigmented on the brush. That's a gorgeous color and I feel that it is easily buildable. One swipe, you get a very decent pigmentation. It did cover my dark pigmented lips but not too much. I can still see some darkness peeking through. This is a beautiful shade for brown skin. I think with lip liner, it is going to enhance the color more. Now about the formulation, I feel with the brush, it is little bit streaky. It's actually not very blurring in my opinion. From a distance, definitely you can see that, but when I see closely in the mirror, I can see that it is bit settling in my lip lines. Feels very comfortable, lightweight on the lips because it is infused with jojoba oil and vitamin E, and it is quite nourishing and moisturizing as well. Now let's use it on our cheeks, and I'm blending it out with my Pro Arte PF66 brush. Wow, that blended like magic. It has given me a very airbrushed finish, and also I cannot see my texture. Where are my texture? Nowhere at all. I think I love it more on my cheeks and eyes than my lips. But yes, if you want to have something on the go, you don't have a lot of time, you can use it in multiple ways you want to. And Nykaa did say that this is a buildable formula, so it is beginner friendly. Because this is a cream to powder formulation, it does not feel sticky. It did not lift my base makeup or tug and pull my skin in any ways. I don't see any kind of patchiness, no streakiness. Now let's see whether this transfers or not. Yes, it does transfer heavily. Does it leave any kind of stain? Let's check it out. It's very minimal. It's very slight. If you're having your drinks, your oily meal just with a single bite, it is definitely going to come off completely. Honestly, even applying the shade with the finger, I did not see a huge difference. It gave me the similar effect as with the brush. I can still see my lips pigmentation peeking through. It gave me a very similar blurry effect. You can very easily tone down the pigmentation as per your choice. Like if you're going to office, college, want something very sheer on your lips, you can do it that way. As you can see, I did that Korean lip effect with some lip gloss on. I'm so loving this lip combination, you guys. I can't take my eyes off. It is giving me a very natural lip shade. So this Nykaa Whipped Blush Pot gets a thumbs up from my end, and I would love to recommend it to all of you. But if you don't want to spend $5.99 at the moment, you can wait for some better discount.